guys!
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Even if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today I have a very special guest. My daughter Gabby. We decided to spice things up a bit. We wanted to try out a different look for both of us. We've never done this before, huh?
Nope.
So we wanted to incorporate some violet shades. We used the Naked Urban Decay Ultraviolet. Now I'm going to give you a heads up, this is not like a very informative tutorial because we were just winging it, kind of going off inspirations we saw on Pinterest and trying it out. It was more an excuse for us to spend some time together and alone and playing with makeup. So if you guys want to see what we did, what products we used, then keep on watching. Yeah. Guys, we want to shake off some of this funk we've been on, this creative funk. So we're gonna be stepping outside our comfort zone. And we have some inspiration we're looking at. I'm gonna put some of the pictures that inspired us for this makeup look, but we're thinking some stones, some like fun colors. I did pick this eyeshadow palette. This is by Urban Decay and it is their Naked Ultraviolet. And I think this is like the perfect palette for spring, nice and purpley shades. First things first, we are going to cancel out our redness and our situation around our eyes. This would be perfect for that for you. Gabby's gonna be using the NARS. You tell them what you're gonna use.
I'm going to be using the NARS
Creamy Concealer.
Creamy Concealer.
And this is the shade Biscuit. Oh, this is a mascara. What am I doing? You just follow my steps. I'm gonna be using the Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape, and I'm the medium sand. And I'm just gonna we're gonna put some on our lids.
Like on it, just like that?
It's gonna be our base.
Try not to make that face.
Realize how many faces you make when you record yourself. You're like, oh my god. First, we're gonna take blending brushes, and Gabby's using Sigma blending brush E25, and I'm going to use Smith 235, and I'm gonna go into the shade Mind Slip. Wash it on my crease like that. I'm gonna start building this look. So your plan is just to follow everything I do?
Yeah. No, that's right.
So you're just washing it. And that color is super light, so you're not gonna see much of it. So Gabby's gonna use a MAC 230, and I'm gonna use this brush, LaRousse it's called, just like a flat shadow brush. And I'm going to go in this shade here, Euphoric, and it's this lavender shade. And I'm going to apply it on...
Mine's euphoric.
Oh, euphoric. What did I say?
Euphoric. There's no L. It just says euphoric.
Euphoric. Okay, so the shade Euphoric. And I'm gonna apply it on the lid. And then we're gonna do a darker on the outer V. So, this is so pretty.
That is pretty. But what is the outer V?
No, this goes into the inner all the way, and then it don't focus on the outer V because we're just gonna do a darker shade. It's a pretty color. Let me see how it looks.
Do I just have really small lids?
Yeah, you have what it's called hooded eye.
Ugh.
Yeah. So in order for you to see that, you're gonna have to go above that line. Okay. So go a little higher. I have hooded eye, but my hood is only here. On the outer portion, you see like right here. But your whole eye is kind of a little bit hooded. I'm gonna do it underneath here too. And
I
again,
can't even see anything.
Let me
There's
see.
color on my eye?
Yeah,
I can't see it.
I can see it.
Why can't I see it?
You can go a little deeper if you want. And if you want to see more pigment, tap it in. And like this, tap, 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 and then you get more color payoff. Okay, let me see. Yeah, now you can see it, right?
Yeah.
Let's darken the outer first. So we're gonna go with this shade here, Cyberpunk. This shade here, Cyberpunk. And we're going to use the other side. I'm just gonna use the other side of my flat shadow brush here, eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna tap it into the outer V. So right here, so the outer. So nice, these formula. I feel like I don't even really need to blend that much. This shade here, Optimize, which is this really light lilac shade. I use this one on the blending brush. And we're just gonna blend like this over. Don't like in your case, like just like right there on the edge. That's what you're trying to soften. And then here, because it's a little rounded, we want to kind of extend it, but don't worry too much about that, because again, we're gonna clean it up with the concealer and stuff once we do our face. Blend out the outer. You go like this, like kind of going up, and then here going down. So right here, blend it here. And you see how it doesn't look rounded like it did. So, yeah. Yeah, perfect. And like draw a line, like kind of, we're gonna blend that out, don't worry. But we're gonna kind of blend it right in the middle, but coming all the way from the top. So you can look straight in the mirror and do it in the center, like where your pupil is. I'm gonna use the fingers to apply this, and we're gonna tap it in the lid, right in the center, like this, and then bring it up. But just like tap, tap, tap. And then we're gonna go over with the blending brush again, just to soften up there. I'm gonna go back with the blending brush and that same color, Optimize. And we're gonna soften that up, see, on the top there. Not so much that you can't see it, see? You can still see it, but it's just not like so obvious. So really light-handed. So you wanna have your hand further, yeah, and then that way you don't apply too much pressure. Gonna go into this shade here, Warning, which is that pinky, and I'm just gonna blend the top and then leaving the middle clear. See, Gabby? So like this, and then like this, but skipping the middle, so that we don't cover that the highlight we did there. I'm gonna do Urban Decay Game of Thrones Lannister Gold in the waterline, just to add that like sparkly touch. We're going to apply primer, and we're going to be using Too Faced Primed and Poreless. Focus it right in your T-zone, which is right here, your forehead. What foundation are you gonna use? Is
the Revlon Color Stay.
In the shade 455.
Honey Beige.
And I'm using Il Maquillage, and this is 125.
Alright, let's go like this, and then this.
Yeah, you can do that too. And I'm gonna use my damped beauty blender sponge.
I'm using this.
That is,
It just says boxy charm on it.
yeah, so a boxy brush, very thingy. You like that brush?
Yeah.
Better than the sponge?
Yeah.
Okay. Art, shape and tape, the same one. And what do you have?
I have Beauty Bakery Insta Bake 3-in-1 concealer, numbers 10 and 11.
Perfect.
How do I put it on then?
So I do the outer.
I've never done that.
Just to brighten, like here you can go up, and then like around your nose if you get red. Anywhere that you feel like you need more brightness. I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass Shade and Sepia, and this is my highlighting because this is a little lighter. So I'm gonna put just a little bit in the center so that that area is the brightest. I'm gonna be using this cute little sponge. I've been loving this stuff. I can't remember the brand. I should find out. It came in my Allure subscription, but if I find it, you guys, I'm gonna put it underneath in the info because it's really nice, really nice. And Gabby's using her Real Techniques.
Ew.
What?
Smells yucky when new.
Yeah.
How are you doing it? Just
Bounce. Just bounce. And you're using the skinny part, yeah. While Gabby continues to blend her concealer in, I'm gonna contour with Fenty Beauty Cream, and this is the Cheeks Out in 04. I very rarely contour my nose because it just turns red, I find. See?
oh yeah. But that's a thing now. Making your nose red.
Mine just turns like that even though I don't want it. So for setting, I'm going to be using Beauty Bakery Flour setting powder in Cassava. And I'm going to use that same little blending sponge situation. Tap, tap, tap. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And then set. And now I am going to...
It just goes under my eye?
I do it everywhere where you put concealer. You want to do it, and anywhere you feel like you need brightness. That one, if you remember, it's really nice for brightening under the eye. To contour with the thing here, you can use this one too.
I thought you just contoured.
That was cream. Anytime you use cream, you want to set it with a powder. And if you hardly want to choose one, go with the powder one. And then blush. I'm going to go in with No Surprise, Honest Beauty in Foxy. Nomad Kiss of Sun Highlighter. This one came in my Glam box, my Ipsy Glam box. And it's so pretty. Check it out. Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty. I was using this one.
Oh, the Embrace Me. We have some sparkly situations we're gonna put in our eyes. Lighting the inner corner of our eyes, we're gonna use Lucid. And I think like right in the middle, like right here, like right in the middle of like that. And then right here, like on the tail of your brow. Oh, this is a tutorial.
Guys, basically just do it.
Yes, sweet. Yes.
Is that it?
No. So guys, this is the finished look. This is my look here. Gabby, give them a close-up. So what was your favorite?
The rhinestones.
The rhinestones. So I really loved this palette, you guys. I'm so glad that I picked it up. I'm actually going to be using it more, especially the spring season. I loved everything. I love trying out everything. Trying out something different. If you guys enjoy this video, then let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bye.